Okay, here's a new project. This is a little shaft with a U-joint yoke made into it for an old New Holland hay rake. It's ground drive, and I believe this drives into the gearbox somehow. Don't know for sure. But what we gotta do is, this here is burned down, so we're gonna build that up, machine it back, and we got a little bit of a spot here where the bearing ran that we should probably try to take care of also. Don't know how to fix that yet, but this is for a real tough customer. He's already counting on us to fail, so this is a pretty high pressure job. We weren't told to do anything about this, so I don't know if that's a test or if we're going to get hollered at for fixing that part. But either way, I've been hollered at this guy before, so he don't scare me none. Holler away. Okay, from watching YouTube videos, I think we're going to turn a little bit of this off so we get some good material in there, so when we weld it, we don't have no junk in there that could mess up our weld. And we're going to do something here with this. This is about 10-12 thousandths lower here where the bearing goes, so we're going to probably machine a little bit of that out, weld that up too. See if we can't wreck this thing. This is a big deal here, man. It's a lot of pressure. Okay, we did our welding prep here, got rid of all that skunky material, cut that down a little bit. And we'll set her up in our little welding position. We'll see if we can't weld around that pretty nice and turn it back down. Forgot to take any video of this. Like I said, it's a high pressure, high stress project here. I'm thinking too much and not paying attention to videoing, so we'll try to do better going forward. Okay, we got it welded up. It looks ugly, but I think we got enough on there. Let it cool down for a while. Okay, here's our finished product for Sugar Bear. Looks pretty good. Of course, when you're dealing with Sugar Bear, he's going to find fault. So you might as well give him something easy to find. You'll find it anyhow. So just give him something easy and you'll be through it. And it won't be so painful. Put a nice little chamfer on there so the seal will slide up there. Polish that surface up best we can for a seal. It's for a 256 rake. It ain't got to be too good, so we'll see what he says. He won't be happy, I can guarantee you that.